Hello friends, welcome to Shahin's Kitchen. And winters have come and it's a very healthy season. We are getting lots of vegetables. Today I am going to make a very healthy bharta with turnip or shalgam. This is 250 grams. I have cut into cubes, washed it, and 2 small carrots. We have to boil it. This is turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, little bit of salt and red chili powder according to your taste. This is 1 tomato and put water for boiling. Give 3-4 pressures. We will blend it and then season it. Cook it after giving 5 pressures and cooling it down. Now it's ready to be blended in a jar. See, after blending it, it looks like this. Now we have to add some oil. Heat up the oil properly. We are not putting zeera into it. We are using whole coriander, khada dhania, and whole red chilies. Fry them. Just add a little bit of turmeric. Red chili we already added. And these are green peas. And add the blended turnip and carrot. Mix it well. Add salt if you require. Add coriander leaves. And just cook it for 2-3 minutes, and this is very yummy, very healthy and tasty turnip and carrot bharta is ready. So friends, here's my turnip and carrot bharta is ready, and it is very healthy and very tasty. Those who have a developed taste for turnip, they would definitely going to love it. So try it, give it a try, and do subscribe my channel and learn such recipes. And it's a winter season, so do try all these vegetables. They are very healthy. Have a nice time.